Now I'll show you the easiest way to make GIF file on iPhone without internet. So first of all, on your iPhone, make sure you have installed the Shortcut app. You can easily download Shortcut from App Store and it's a free app. Just open Shortcut and now tap on Library at the bottom right. Tap on Gallery, and once you are in Shortcut Gallery, scroll down and you have to find out all the GIFs section. Now just tap on See All, and in this GIF list here you will find Convert Photos to GIF option shortcut. Just tap on the shortcut and the shortcut will be Add. Now go to Shortcut section, and at the top of the shortcut list here you will find the Convert Photos to GIF that you just added. Now just tap on the shortcut, and now from your phone gallery select multiple photos and just tap on Add. And here, as you can see, all of my photos successfully converted to a single GIF. Now just tap on the share icon and tap on Save Image. Tap on Done, and the GIF will be saved to your Photos app. I'm going to my Photos app, and here is the GIF that I just converted using Photos.